Hey guys, it's me Ebony here, and if you're new to our channel, I usually do videos with my twin sister Erica, but for this video I am flying solo and giving y'all some cute waves. Actually, the last wavy hair video we did, Erica did it and she used the wave formers. Something tells me that this video might be a little bit easier to get waves. You guys go check that video out after this one and just kind of let me know what you think. Just kind of compare the two and see which ones you like. I'm also going to show you guys how I keep these waves and sleep in them overnight so we won't have to recurl them in the morning, and just how to let them fall nicely and cute. So you guys will see all of that in this video, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is my hair. It's about 3 weeks after my relaxer, so I figure it's now at the point where it can hold a wave. So to protect it from the heat, I'm using the Mona Luce Keratin Argan Oil, which nourishes and protects at the same time. So to get these waves, I'm using Bedhead's A Wave We Go. It has an adjustable barrel, so the bigger the barrel that I pull out, the looser the waves will be, and then when you pull it back, it's going to be tight waves. I used it at the larger part, so I want my waves to be a little bit looser. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Honestly guys, I struggled a little at first because I was trying to get used to holding it correctly and not burning myself at the same time. But the one thing I like about a wave iron, especially this one, is that you have room for error and the waves actually still fall into place even if you think you messed up. And if you guys are wondering, I'm holding the wave iron to my hair for about 7 to 10 seconds. With each hair type, hair texture, it's going to be different. This one is just the right amount of time for my hair to actually hold the wave. And I'm using 375 degrees. This wave iron goes up to 400, but I'm using 375. I could have gotten away with 350, but my hair still feels like fresh even though it's like 3 weeks past my relaxer wash day. So just to make sure that it holds the curl or the wave, I just put it at 375. And that's usually around the temperature range that I get my hair flat ironed, so it's nothing out of the ordinary. This is usually around the time most people in their tutorials go, I'm going to finish it off camera. But no, I'm going to do my whole head on camera. Just going to speed it up a bit. But I want you guys to see, like throughout this whole entire process, how I get used to the iron and just start using it even with one hand. It is so easy to get used to. Like obviously on my right side I'm a little awkward with it, but like I said earlier, no matter how awkward you are with this wave iron, your waves will still fall into place. But yeah, you get to see, like, as I go along, it just really becomes a lot easier to use. And you also notice I keep the wave iron in a vertical position because I just like how the waves come out that way. I don't think it'll be too much of a difference if you do it another way, but I like just to keep it that way. It's just easier with my hands. But this process was so easy. It took me, once I got used to it, about 15 minutes. And I am done. Just gotta play with it to get it in place, and it is so cute. Three days later, the waves fell a little bit, which I don't mind because waves that fall are still adorable. Now the night before, I used Camille Rose Twisting Butter, which is amazing because it moisturizes my hair and it's able to hold it overnight for wavy hair in the morning. And I just got twists, or I did my twists at the top and then I did braids towards the bottom. You can also just do plaits. You don't have to twist at the top. After like the third day, I think I just did plaits because I just got lazy. But they still come out the same, and this is just the best way so that I won't have to reapply heat in the morning if I want to refresh my curls. They come out very relaxed. I mean, obviously they've fallen a bit, but it's, like I said, it still looks cute, and you'll see the next morning what they look like. But first, my satin scarf to keep my hair from looking frizzy, and it protects it overnight while I sleep. Alright, so here's the next morning. I'm just going to take down my plaits. And they're looking a little crazy right now, but I have to play with it just for a little bit to kind of get them back into place. I go in with my argan oil again for shine and any flyaways. And then up next, here are some cute styles with 3rd or 4th day waves. I'm always down for a cute headband look. The messy low pony with hair framing your face. The low bun, these are so easy and effortless. I didn't put much effort into this, as you can see, and they still came out cute. The half up, half down, and then the half up bun. And my usual side swoop. Also, don't forget to go see our wave formers video that Erica did, and just for laughs and giggles, let us know which method you would prefer to get your hair in waves. Alright, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!